Clarence. Hey, look.
Oh, this is nice.
He's been licking himself.
This is me stroking him. I love it. If you're scared of cats, do not be scared of this one, because he just loves you to pet him. But Ollie, don't be scared of either, because if you're scared to pet a cat, Ollie's the cat for you, because he doesn't like it. He won't let him go near you, so. And Clarence does this really cute thing.
Just want something good?
Shut the door, please! No. Chloe! Clarence, this is the camera!
That's so cute. No, his head just be there.
Come on. Look at the camera.
Did you guys see that?
Okay, bye. That's all that we have for Clarence.
No. Okay, we'll be right back in a sec.
See you guys, my mom was trying to lift him because he was at the door and we didn't want him coming out.
So we can do the video. Okay.
He accidentally bumped his head on it.
But we stroked it because he loved it. Anyways, I'm gonna go on this sofa and you see where Hannah and Clarence is. There. By the way, you haven't seen me because I'm recording.
I'm recording.
Hannah and I'm gonna show you my walking over to Clarence. Alright, Hannah's gonna record in a wee sec. Okay.
This video is all about Clarence. This clip.
I know, but they can just see you at the moment. Should we open the blinds a bit? Okay, guys, we'll be back once we open the blinds. Hi, so we've got the blinds.
I'm not in the camera. Just like
for my hand. And then you stroke it all the way down.
should I stroke his paw?
Me and Hannah's done it before. Yeah, I've done it many other times. Look at that little paw sticking out. So here's Clarence fully. This is the position. He loves sitting on the windowsill and looking at the outside world the outside world of our house. Isn't that amazing? But the Clarence, it's very amazing. So, yeah, I'm going to give him a paw.
Let's sit on the sofa. At first we were going to sit on the sofa and
Stroke his paw. Stroke his paw.
He likes it.
I know, he loves it.
Okay.
Can you do it all the way down to his foot? Can you do that? All the way down to his foot. Okay, guys, I think that's the end of our Clarence clip. So let's get Clarence through. Yours, Clarence. So bye.
Say bye.
Say bye.
Say bye, Cookie Crew.
Say bye.
Okay, bye.